Are you in need of carpet cleaning services? We know you probably have a lot of questions. What methods do you use? Do you vacuum before deep cleaning the carpet? Do you use seal of approval cleaning solutions and equipment? Our professional, award-winning service has allowed us to become the carpet and upholstery cleaner of choice for many local residents and businesses. We use the industry's most advanced cleaning system, which will remove ground-in soil and revive your carpet's appearance. For a healthy home, you need clean carpets. Our professional crew will clean your carpets, area rugs, even draperies and furniture with the utmost care. Got kids? Got pets? We'll not only remove spots, but we can deodorize your carpets when needed. Our highly trained technicians provide service that's convenient and hassle-free. So call us today for a free estimate.